What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I got a 2021 Camaro SS 1LE automatic 10-speed. Even though I wanted a manual, I bought the 10-speed, and we'll get into that in a second. Before I start, I want to thank Luis and Ricky with the RPM Addiction for coming out, recording the footage for me so I can put some of my magic in it and make a pretty good video for you guys, a review video for you. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. So yes, the Hellcat is gone. In the last couple of videos I've been around it without it, and even in one of the videos I posted where I left it at Carvana. They gave me good money and it was gone. So the plan was to pretty much sell the Hellcat if I got good money, get some of that money back, and get a Camaro SS 1LE, but I wanted a manual. And in the process, after I sold the Hellcat, Rob reminded me that I have a restriction in my license for automatic cars only because of, and I had totally forgotten about it, and the Hellcat was gone already, and I still wanted a kind of the sports car feel. I like this car. If you see me around, I drove Christina many times, and I really like this, so I really wanted it. I like the way it sounds, I like the way it drives, I like the manual aspect of it, and it would have been cool to make some videos with it. But, you know, they said get a doctor's letter, take a driver's test for the manual car, and I had set up to do all that stuff, but then we put the whip on Christina's car, and I didn't want to do it anymore. So I found out these cars came in automatic for 2021. The SS 1LE version came in automatic for the first time for 2021. And I set out to find one. I looked, Miami, Bombed Chevrolet had one of them. Not super cheap, but a really good price. And they only had two of them. They had dropped the price a lot. I went down there, tested out, and ended up liking the 10-speed, like the torque, like how it handled, and I took it with me, as you can see. I've had it for 3 weeks, almost 3 weeks, and so far we put the ZLE wing that I got from Extreme Online Store. I got an install and review video coming on that. And we put the Eibach lowering springs. As you can see, it just lowers it a bit, but it's for the Magna ride. So the car looks good. This is how I wanted it to look. When Christina bought her wing, I said that's the first thing I would do to the car. The only thing left to do is an exhaust, which is a tricky part because it has MPP, which is like active exhaust, and then it has the AFM valves towards the middle, which is to control when the engine goes into V4 and I don't know, all that science crap that I haven't really read about. I just know there's an extra set of valves, so I can't just get any exhaust and delete all that stuff because I'll get codes. There's different things I can do. So I'm gonna have to hit up exhaust companies here in a minute and find out which route I want to go, or just do axle back and get rid of the secondary. Most of you guys know what I'm talking about. So even though it's not a manual like I wanted, the car is fun. You know, it handles really well, it's torquey, it's not as fast as the Hellcat. I mean, of course, different type of horsepower, but it's definitely lighter and handles much better, and it has the sports car feel that I wanted. I know the Hellcat's badass and it feels like a muscle car. It feels strong, it sounds strong, and it's fast, but I don't know, in the end that's kind of not what I wanted. This is more like what I wanted. Call it what you want. Everybody has different tastes. This is what I wanted. New car, wanted to make a pretty cool review for you guys. Hopefully you liked it. I had an idea if I got a manual car. That didn't work out, but we're gonna work on that for down the road. I'm gonna get that restriction taken off, and we'll see where that goes later on. So for now, we're gonna enjoy this car. We're gonna break it in. It's gonna go on the dyno. It's gonna go on the track, both straight line and turning. It's gonna get draggy pulls, and we're just gonna have fun with the car right now. So hopefully you like the swap, and if not, I like the swap, so I'm gonna enjoy it. And since the Hellcat is gone, I'm gonna leave you with a little fun run from the Hellcat and a Mustang TT V6. We're gonna pass on that, but since the Hellcat is gone, might as well just put it out. So hopefully you like this video. As you did, give us a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think about the car, the swap, yay, no yay. whatever. Subscribe, pay attention to what's gonna happen. Peace.